And I would like to invite up Mr. Zoran Zaev, the Prime Minister of Macedonia. I've exceeded the time a bit too much, and I invite you, Mr. President.
Mr. President, dear Stanishev, first of all, I use this opportunity in this hopeful Congress what will bring back our progressive family on power in Europe, to use opportunity to thank you in the name of my country and my citizens for all support. You, Zita, Maria, everybody, Knut Fleckenstein, support us trying to fight against authoritarian regime. And finally, we succeed and we win with pencil and vote, with a very painful, very sensitive fight, but finally we liberate our country. Of course, we are proud of all this fight. I'm here today with all these scars in my face, but we fight honestly, with dignity, to bring back, like Udo mentioned it, freedom, democracy, and European values in this part of the European soil in the Balkan. And that is the future of the Europe. Take the past behind us, be responsible, connecting with the past, but be mainly focused for the future, to serve to our citizens and young generation